The three-day protest caravan of the Aduana Business Club pushed through today. This despite the inclement weather brought about by Typhoon Nona. The details from this report.
Torrential rains did not stop the Aduana Business Club's protest caravan to express their dismay over the implementation of the Terminal Appointment Booking System, or TABS. The protest started from Luneta, then headed to the Philippine Ports Authority, Asian Terminals Incorporated, or ATI, then to Gate 3 of the Bureau of Customs. Included in the protest were importers, exporters, customs brokers, and truck operators. This is the start of the three-day strike from December 16 to December 18. The group wishes to remove the tabs and revert to the truck ban.
Well, as we can see, sa unang salpok namin kanina, pagkatapos ng aming accounting programa, marami po nagmalita, marami raw islat na lumabas doon sa tabs. So, ibig sabihin, nagbukas sila. Yan lang magpapatunay na kaninang umaga, sarado lahat yan. Nung natapos yung aming munting programa nga, biglang nagbukas at biglang dumami raw yung islat. Ang kasamaang palad, wala silang operation ngayon dahil bumabagyo.
They also want an investigation on the increase in demurrage of shipping lines. ABC Secretary Aimee Gila said that they have already asked the Congress to form a committee on the matter.
Advance demurrage ka, hindi ka makakapag-file, hindi ka makapaglabas ng shipment pag hindi ka nagbigay ng advance demurrage sa kanila. No, I mean, wala pang demurrage, magbabayad ka na. 3,600 yan. O, imagine mo, tapos marerefund yan after 10 months.
Because of the slow loading and unloading of cargo, truckers are being affected. Before the implementation of tabs, they were able to make 7 trips per week. Now, they can only manage 3.
2 days to 3 days kami nag-aabang bago namin masauli yung empty container. At yung loaded naman, 2 to 3 days, 3 to 4 days din, nag-aabang kami na magkaroon ng slot.
The president of ABC is hoping that Cabinet Secretary Jose Rene Almendras will listen to their plea and heed their grievances.
We have the trust with this administration, especially with President Aquino, doon sa kanyang pangako at sa kanyang ipinopromote ng APEC na sabi niya na he will look for the welfare of small, medium enterprises. Nandun kami. So, hanggang ngayon, umaasa kami doon sa ganun trust. Ito lang yung paraang para maipakita namin na talagang nasasaktan na kami at ito yung paraan ng pag-aray namin.